set aside time each week with a friend where you'll only speak in English, whether it's a coffee or a cocktail, but you're only allowed to speak English. It'll be fun.
A great way to practice your English is to pretend to be a tourist. I do it all the time. So pop into the shops, whether it's for clothes or if it's to buy your groceries, when you order a coffee or a drink at a cafe, just speak in English. Order everything in English. Ask for help in English. You'd be surprised how many people will be really helpful and they will respond to you in English. So it's a great way to practice.
If you want to improve your English, I recommend listening to the Kako method audiobooks just while you're driving or whenever you can in your free time.
Have a party with your friends where you're only allowed to speak English. Do something different and make sure you only play English music at the party. Have fun!